Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our official press conference, matchday -1 for the Concacaf Caribbean Cup game. Mount Pleasant hosting Universidad O&M will be played on Tuesday, September 30 here at the National Stadium. With me this morning is head coach Theodore Whitmore and our newly installed club captain, Daniel Green. I now open the floor to questions from anyone. Go ahead.
Good morning, Coach and Daniel. Coach, congratulations for qualifying for the semi-finals. But is tomorrow much a perfect opportunity to give some of the youngsters some experience in this competition?
It's a good question. We have a few injuries, but not to give much away. It's a game that we wanted to win. Have played 3 and conceded any goal as yet, so we want to keep that. So it doesn't really matter who go out there. We expect 110% of all that.
All right, Coach. And you mentioned injuries. For the sake of Mount Pleasant fans and Dominican fans, can you give out a status update on Warner Brown? And will he be part of the squad tomorrow?
No, definitely he won't be a part of the squad tomorrow.
Okay. All right, Daniel, this is a question for you as well. You've been in great form in this competition. Can you give us an idea what this type of competition does for the Jamaican player?
I think he give a lot of exposure to the Jamaican player because, everyone around the world is watching these games and playing in this international level. I think he give you more confidence and more self-belief to go there and do your best.
All right. Coach Tappa, this one more for you. Your fellow Jamaican team Cavalier have a big important match themselves tomorrow. If they win, there's a chance you'll face them in the semi-final. Would you prefer to face a fellow Jamaican team or a foreign team?
Again, another good question. We have a job to do tomorrow. We just want to focus on what we have to do tomorrow. Then, after tomorrow game, then we look at the needs of home.
Good morning again, Coach and Daniel. It seems like you qualified for the semi-finals. Has it been a challenge to get the players to refocus and prepare for this game and not look ahead?
The challenge I have right now is that the intensity of the training, the preparation, we have to calm it down a bit of time because we face a serious challenge now. Everybody want to play. Everybody is putting their hands up, and that's the sort of challenge that we face as technical staff right now.
And for Daniel, what has it been like? I mean, in practice, engaged as being now the newly installed captain, new responsibilities.
I think it's demanding more from yourself, because you have to be pushing the team and everyone is looking to you for demanding even more by yourself. So I think it's a good job, but it's hard for demand.
Any more questions?
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right, Coach. This final question. What do you know of your opponent and what exactly are you looking out of tomorrow's match?
It's a good team. They want to come here and get a positive result if they want to carry on in the competition. So we expect a tough game, but as I said before, we know what we have to do. We just have to go out there, put our best foot forward, and get the desired result that we need.
All right. And Daniel, as the new captain, any message to the fans, especially with tomorrow and the season going forward?
Yes. I think just continue to support us, push us, and we also, the team, will always deliver and make you guys feel happy and comfortable. So just continue to push us and you get the job done.
Thank you. Coach, one about the fans. What would you say to them in terms of coming out to support Mount Pleasant? We haven't seen large crowds in the Caribbean Cup, but what would you say to them?
Well, we know it's in the week fixture, it's difficult for them, but they always come out, they always give up 110%, because they are the team behind the team. So we expect to see a good turnout tomorrow at the national stadium from what was involved.
All right, coach. No more questions. That's it. Thank you so much.
Brian Lewis and Alan Kester.